Skip you will miss, and you don't want to miss the last part of this video. This is today's lunch with hot rice, and this is fish curry, Bengali style. No, it's Andhra style. Fish curry made in Andhra style, and this is beautiful omega-3. And do you know what is this? This is okra or vendi, again cooked in Andhra style with peanuts and chilies. And this is prawn, again cooked in Andhra style. This is absolutely majestically delicious. See this masalas and everything, and last part is waiting. Here it is. This is chicken, and absolutely ravishing looking. And so subscribe to our channel Foodometer for food facts, food news and more. Bye bye. Enjoy.